Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. India is full of surprises, from giant statues and long rivers to old cities and fast trains. Let's begin our tour of India's record-breaking wonders. Tallest statue, Statue of Unity, Gujarat. The Statue of Unity is the tallest statue in the world. It stands 182 meters tall and honors Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Highest motorable road, Khardungla Pass, Ladakh. The Khardungla Pass is one of the highest roads in the world, over 17,500 feet high. Largest Hindu temple, Akshardham Temple, Delhi. The Akshardham Temple is the largest Hindu temple complex in India, known for its stunning art and wings. Oldest living city, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Varanasi is over 3,000 years old and one of the oldest cities in the world. Largest stadium, Narendra Modi Stadium, Ahmedabad. This is the world's largest cricket stadium with space for 1.32 lakh fans. Longest river, the Ganga. The Ganga River is 2,525 kilometers long, flowing through many states and helping millions of people. Largest dam, Tehri Dam, Uttarakhand. The Tehri Dam is the tallest and the largest dam in India, built on the Bhagirathi River. Largest forest, Sundarbans, West Bengal. The Sundarbans is the largest mangrove forest and home to the Royal Bengal tiger. Fastest train, Vande Bharat Express. The Vande Bharat Express is India's fastest train, reaching speeds of 180 kilometers per hour. Oldest university, Nalanda University, Bihar. The Nalanda University is one of the oldest universities in the world, built in the 5th century. Largest desert, Thar Desert, Rajasthan. The Thar Desert is the largest desert in India, full of sand dunes and colorful culture. Tallest temple tower, Murdeshwar Temple, Karnataka. The Murdeshwar Gopuram is one of the tallest temple towers in India, facing the Arabian Sea. Largest fort, Chittorgarh Fort, Rajasthan. The Chittorgarh Fort is India's largest fort, covering 700 acres of historic land. Largest human gathering, Kumbh Mela. The Kumbh Mela is the largest gathering of people on earth held at holy rivers. Highest waterfall, Kunchikal Falls, Karnataka. The Kunchikal Falls is the tallest waterfall in India, over 1,493 feet high. Fastest growing city, Bangalore, Karnataka. Bengaluru, known as India's Silicon Valley, is one of the fastest growing cities in the world. Longest highway, NH44. National Highway 44 runs from Srinagar to Kanyakumari, covering 3,745 kilometers, the longest road in India. Largest palace, Mysore Palace, Karnataka. The Mysore Palace is one of the largest royal palaces and shines beautifully during Dasara. Oldest rock formation, Dharwar Craton, Karnataka. The Dharwar Craton rocks are more than 3 billion years old, some of Earth's oldest stones. Highest statue of Buddha, Tathagata Tsal, Sikkim. The Buddha Park in Ravangala has a 130-foot tall statue of Lord Buddha surrounded by mountains. Largest city by area, Delhi. The National Capital Territory of Delhi is the largest city by area in India. Largest textile industry, Surat, Gujarat. The city of Surat is known as the textile hub of India, producing beautiful fabrics and saris. Largest port, Mumbai Port. The Mumbai Port is one of India's largest and busiest seaports, connecting India to the world. Oldest mosque, Cheraman Juma Masjid, Kerala. The Cheraman Juma Mosque, built in the 7th century, is the oldest mosque in India. Largest wildlife sanctuary, Hemis National Park, Ladakh. The Hemis National Park is the largest wildlife sanctuary, home to the rare snow leopard. Cleanest village, Mawlyinloong, Meghalaya. Mawlyinloong is called Asia's cleanest village, where everyone helps keep their home clean and green. Highest cricket ground, Chail, Himachal Pradesh. The Chail cricket ground is the highest in the world, built at 7,500 feet above sea level. From the tallest statue to the oldest city, from fast trains to vast deserts, India is truly a land of records, beauty and pride. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.